Welcome. I am MD Sakali, Assistant Teacher, Mominnagar Secondary School, Joshor, Sodor Joshor. So, my subject is English second paper, especially in class 6. Today's our topic is articles, grammar section. SS, look at the blackboard. A player. Here is a player, popular player. You are all know who is this. An actor. The students. Articles, a player, an actor, the students. There are three kinds of picture in this board. All of you listen to me. Learning outcomes. By the end of the lesson, learners will be able to say the definition of articles. What is called article? To explain the classification of articles, to use various types of articles. A, an, and the. These three adjectives is called articles. A, an, the. The red car, the black car, the red apple, the green apple. Classification of articles divided into two: indefinite a and an. These two word is indefinite and the is called definite. Idioms and phrase, consonants, one taka note, o, one. University, you. Some examples using articles. A, he has bought a new pen. A is indefinite article. I have a 1 taka note. Though here, look, O is vowel, but this is exceptional rules. A is used before on. It is a union. U is vowel, but here is used A. This is exceptional rules. Use of an. M is consonant, but A plus M, help of vowel. L, A plus L, and this is vowels. Silence. Some examples using article and. He has bought an umbrella. First letter is vowel, so an is used here. Mr. Salam is an honorable man. A is, though this is consonant, but A is help of A by vowel. So here is used an. Our headmaster is an M8. M. Here is used vowel, the help of A. So, an is vowel and this is exceptional rule. So, here is used an. Use of the. Newspapers, unique things, name of ocean, sea, river, countries, short name. So, some examples using article the word is round. There is only one word by the creator, so the word, especially meaning, I am from the USA, United States of America, so here is used the definite article. I love to read the Daily Star. This is one kind of newspaper. So here is used the. So Group work. Text. According to the pictures, writes 5 sentences using a, an, and the. Each of the students write down your khata 5 into 3. 15 sentences may be read, written by you. This is your group work. 5 minutes include. Evaluation. What is article? Write the kinds of articles with an example. Say 2 rules of using definite article. There are 3 questions. This is your individual work. Write down in your khata. Homework. My dear SS, I write down on the blackboard and you are also write your khata. Write the name of 5 things around you using a, an, and the. Thanks very much. See you next.